Hello, this is Deepak Bodhani from Digitech Engineers. I am a reseller of Simco machine monitoring software called as Simco MDC. In this video, I am going to show you how you can display the live OEE on the live screen. I have taken this a sample machine which is simulated on my laptop. I have a machine called as EOU test where cycle time is 30 seconds and job number is 1234-ABC. Now this 30 second I have taken from the Excel variable. Here I have set the Excel sheet in the path C Simco cycle time.xls, and I have set the condition as job name if it matches with column A and the machine number. You set Excel variable 1 to column B. Now this is my Excel sheet, this is my column B, this is my job number or the part name, and this is the machine. So when the operator scans that particular job number or the part number like 1234-ABC, the system will extract this 30 second from the Excel sheet. And now you can go to OEE, you can say add new OEE, say for example test, and then these are values to be filled in. I have already filled the values for the parameter called as ISAP OEE. So here I have got the expression as part complete minus the two counters are there which are responsible to note down the reject parts. Similarly, another expression is number of scrap parts. So these are the two counters, counter reject in process and counter reject by operator. So in these two counters, the total number of rejected parts will be there. Expected part time or the cycle time, which is 30 seconds, is taken over here by Excel variable 1. The planned production time I have taken as time period length. Say for example first shift is for say 8 hours and 30 minutes. This value will show as 8 hours 30 minutes. If it is second shift, the same parameter will show as, say for example 8 hours. In the third shift it may be 7.30 or whatever. You can enter up unplanned downtime over here and planned downtime like scheduled maintenance, something like that in this column. Once this is done, you can just go to live setup, and here you can say display live OEE. You can go here. Here all the ready-made values will be available for you. Say for example here live OEE, availability, performance and quality. So you can pick up from this, display it over here, performance, quality, like that. And when you see the screen, you can directly get live OEE, availability and performance, and quality is 100% because all the parts are considered as okay parts. I can show you, suppose I stop the cycle, increase the part number, so it is 178. Now I start the cycle, let it run for some time, stop the cycle, get one part out of the machine, so it is 179. So as the machine runs, this live OEE, availability, performance and quality, everything will be shown in a live screen. You can use these figures in your tables also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.